All right guys, so I did raise my unit a little so that you can see the proper way to actually lower it. So if you have a 3-piece, you're going to always make sure you're lowering the lowest bar first. That's the only way you can actually get access to the bars up top, by lowering the very first pole, which is this one first. So what you want to do, and this is where a lot of people get tripped up and say they can't lower them, is because they're not properly lowering them. So you always want to take your right hand or left hand, depending on which one you operate with. You want to take your hand and you want to secure the top bar at all times. And I mean hold it really firm, because once they get going to lowering, it can easily slam, and that's where the pinching happens, and you don't want that because it's very painful. So you're going to take these two slots, these two nodules, and you're going to lift them up, right? Some units have buttons, these do not. These have two little nodules where you're going to lift them up, that's it. But while you're lifting them up, hold on to your top bar and guide it down slightly, right? Don't let it go down really fast, because that's where the pinching happens. So I'm going to hold on to my bar, I'm going to lift these two pins up, and while I'm lifting it up, I am slightly going to raise this bar. The only thing it's doing is releasing the tension. If you don't raise it up some, it won't release, right? So you're going to lift these two up just like that, and just raise it up some and let it guide down. Do not let it go. And then it's done, voila. Then you're gonna do the same exact thing, guys, to the top bar. So now that you're on your second bar, you're gonna hold the bar, hold your top bar firmly so you can just let it kind of slide down. Take these two pieces up and then just let it glide down until you hear the bumpers. Now, our units come with these bumpers, and the bumpers are to stop the bar from going inside each other. So you're pretty good to let them go all the way down until it hit the bumper. So again, I hope you found this video to be helpful, because a lot of people pinch their fingers. I know I did it too in the beginning, and I had a lot of chatter around it in my Facebook group, so I said I would make a video. If you are looking for a community and that's all we talk about, that's all we interested in is premium draping, then just look in the comment section and be sure to be added to our Facebook community, and you will be connected with 17,000 other creatives such as yourself that is looking to take their draping to the next level. I hope to see you guys on the inside.